Hello guys and welcome. I don't know how you feel about it, but I develop a lot of knowledge and grow continuously, and I hope it's the same for you. If not, I want to share with you a couple of news. So I was just trying to figure out a solution for my videos because I had always to censor stuff which is private from my side, but for you it is also like look messy if you see things which are censored and you are like, why are you not showing all the details? For that I was just looking for a solution, and with the solution I mean like a website where I can just show you everything, every detail, and not showing all my private stuff. So I found a blog which called Bloomberg.com. It is not an advertisement right now, but I think it is a really huge website, and I don't know how many people work for them, but it's really huge. If you are a single stock investor, you probably know it already, but I didn't knew it. So for that, if you type in Bloomberg.com, you will get into this website, and then you have like at the first page the whole news and the latest news, and you can see if something is happening in the world. And if you don't want to read, you have as well the option for live TV. There's 24/7 live updates about the whole market and the situation. As well, you have the option, and this is the biggest option, the whole market, where you can see everything. And it's depending on what your interests are. But this site, I'm honest, it is so much effort inside of it. And I don't know how many people are there as well to up-to-date everything. But here you see like all the details about the US stocks, Europe stocks, Middle East and Africa, Asia Pacific. I don't want to go to the whole details and to the whole page. You have to do it by yourself, but at the end you will figure out a lot of things. And I don't want you to pay money for any website. For that reason I make a comparison for all of that, and I also signed into a couple and wanted to show you how it looks like. But here you have as well like the options like industry, tax, politics, business weeks, opinion and more, and there are a lot of more stuff inside of it. But if you are interested into it, you can just look at it. And I think this is the biggest website, and everyone probably know it except me, and probably you don't know it. But they have as well a YouTube channel I want to show you. Give me a second. I just write Bloomberg Live, and they have a couple of channels, but I want to show you the Bloomberg Television, and they have 2.14 million subscribers. And if we go to their page,
very much in focus because
they have as well the 24-hour live update, the same from the website. They have it as well here on YouTube, 24 hours, which they are streaming. You see it's the same one. And there is something which I am concerned about, and that is they have 71,000 videos uploaded. And if you just look at it 1 hour ago, 1 hour ago, 2 hours ago, they are regularly on it. They need to have a lot of people who are just like uploading videos all the time. I think like these are just cuts from the long form content, like from the live stream, and they are just cutting out a couple of videos, make it in short form, like 1 minute or even longer, like the whole videos, and just uploading them. They are over quantity. So one website which I want to show you is Parquet, and with Parquet I already signed in to show you the website, and it is like to give you a better view about the portfolio, because with Interactive Broker you don't have the option, or you have the option but it's not looking good, to see all the portfolio, how much money you gained, how much value you have, etc. So for that there are a lot of tools, and I think also because of you, if I always have to censor my videos and put out stuff, it's not looking good. For me as well, it's a lot of work, and for you it's like, why are you hiding stuff of your videos? So I don't want to censor anything. So I've already signed in and put into it manually, and that is a really great benefit, my MSCI World data, and I just put in how often I bought and the times when I bought it and how much I bought. So for that you can see right now, until I opened my account, I've bought around $3,468 in MSCI World shares, and as well $1,145 in emerging market shares, like my two ETFs. And right now you see I am at $4,612.62, and it's around 10.63% in profit. And at the end you see like $443.17 are my profit, and you have here how it worked. You see like here you have the graphs, you have the performance as well, and dividends drawdown is like for an upgrade. I don't have an upgrade, and dividends is 0 because these are stocks which reinvest into themselves. And if you scroll down here you see all the things that I've put into the account when I've bought the stocks and how much they are, at which prices, and the times as well. Here are my two ETFs, my emerging markets and my MSCI their wealth. And at the end, you have here the whole portfolio and how much I made in profit totally. And I think it's really great to see, but they have a really big disadvantage, and that is the website is just in German. They don't have it in English. So if you are English speaking person, I think it doesn't make sense for you. But for that, we just continue. There is Käufen. I hope I speak it in the right way. And they have like in the pricing model, a free version, a plus version, and a pro version. And I don't know if you want to spend money on websites like that, but for me it's like the free version almost enough. I just want to use it as a tool and see by myself how much money I made. And for that reason, I choose the free version and I already signed in. It looks very messy if you go through, and I still don't know how exactly it works, but I have for 7 days the premium, the Käufen Pro version. And for the pro version, you have all the data that you are needing. You have the equity markets, the sectors, and you can choose what kind of fields you want to show. And you have always like the settings and show the total revenue from the day or total and things like that. So you can configure the site how you like it. At the end, I think it's a great tool, but I wouldn't pay for that. I'm wondering how it looks like after 7 days if I have the free version. But they have as well one point, and these are the market movers. Like for example, like Bloomberg, I think the biggest opponent of Bloomberg, if there is an opponent. But they have as well the market news. Here you can read what is going on in the world. But the market movers is something which I really, really like, because here you see the winners or the gainers and the losers. I think it's a great tool because here you can directly see which stocks are right now making money and which are not making money, and so you can have it in one view. And you see as well like here in a graph, and I like that. But at the end you can put here a lot of things like your watch list, your screens, you can put in your portfolio, which I didn't upload until now, and you have analytics about everything, and here's as well lots of charts. Yeah, there are really a lot of charts. And yeah, at the end you have like as well the options for graphs, and for example here is Apple, which they have selected as a default. Now I choose like Nvidia for example, and then you can go like at the analytics, look at the highlights and things like that. You have here like every detail that you need or could imagine of, but I don't want to go too much into the detail because I need it for that like 2 or 4 other videos, and I don't want to make videos about other websites. So the last one is Ticker. They have like the same like Käufen with a free version, a plus version, and a pro version, and they are like, I don't know, they are not differentiating each other a lot, but at the end it's like just a personal choose. You can sign in into every account which I showed you, and there are even more, but these are like my top options, and you can always sign in into the free version, and then you can say okay if you like it or not. But I will look if I like the layouts or not, and probably I will continue my videos in that area, because if we get used to into one design or one layout, I can show you how I invest and how much money I've gained and things like that a little bit in a better way, like so everyone can understand it better. Thanks a lot for watching guys, see you soon, bye bye.